Is there any chakra which is superior, or all the chakras are equal? Which chakra we should more work with? If you look at the body, there is a hierarchy. Suppose you have a house. In the house, you have a kitchen, you have a dining hall, you have a bedroom, you have your working room, you have your toilet, you have your... So which room is the superior room? So in this body, this is the superior place, the brain. So these two chakras, although all chakras are useful, these two chakras are more useful than others. Please let me know that how Kriya Yoga is helpful in Atma Sakshatkar. Kriya Yoga is the easiest means for self-realization. Kriya Yoga is the easiest. You will say, how? You say the easiest. Do you know, when I was young, I was staying with my master. He was telling Kriya Yoga is the simplest, easiest, quickest, surest, best technique. I didn't like this. I thought, oh God, he's talking like a promoter, promoting Kriya Yoga. But the more and more I practiced, more and more I realized what he was telling is true. Kriya Yoga meditation is 24 hours meditation, keeping you always awakened in your own self. And if you look at this lineage, Kriya Yoga lineage, you see so many realized masters. And please let us know how you will distinguish with the inner self and the greater self conflicts. Look, there is no conflict among the self. Conflict is in your mind. Conflict is in your ego. Conflict because of your emotion. There is no conflict between inner self and supreme self. It is one. Is there any conflict between powerhouse and your house in flow of electricity? It flows smoothly. How does one maintain living in presence, mindfulness? Whenever there is something going on, my mind keeps thinking about somewhere. How to avoid preoccupied thought? Do you know? Somebody told, what is ordinary love? Ordinary love is keeping the head on the lap of the wife or the husband, thinking of another person is ordinary love. What is pure love? Pure love is to be there 100%. Do you know, human mind, we have not trained it. It is misfortune in India. Remember it. It is misfortune in India that the educationist did not adopt the method how to develop concentration, how to bring calmness, how to bring inner peace, how to increase memory power, how to be successful in the primary school books. The problem which we face throughout our life, the education doesn't help us. That is why in the beginning I told you, the secular education is incomplete without spiritual education. That is why you are asking me all these questions. The mind is thoughts, other thoughts. Meditation, concentration helps you. Meditate. It is not the mindfulness. You have to empty your mind. My Gurudev said, he used the one word, tabula rasa. Have you heard about this name? Tabula rasa. He said, what is meditation? Clean your blackboard. Clean your writing board. Tabula rasa. Tabula-rasa. Tabula rasa. So, meditation helps to clean your mind. Then write something which is good. Can the business of religion be eradicated one day? Look, there is nothing wrong in religion. Do you know what is the meaning of religion? Meaning of religion is reunion. Meaning of religion is reunion, religare, Latin word. Religion has nothing wrong. Some misguided people are diverting human mind in a destructive way or unproductive manner. That is bad. We unfortunately are not well educated in religion, that's why there is trouble. Swami Vivekananda told, let there be as many religions as the human beings. There is no problem, but there should be proper understanding. What is the purpose of life? The purpose of life is to be successful in every aspect of your being, physically, intellectually, emotionally, devotionally, and spiritually, to be successful. The purpose of the seed is to manifest as a tree. The purpose of tree is to manifest flower and fruit. Similarly, the purpose of life is to manifest beauty, love, joy, and happiness in every step. How food, veg, non-veg, affects our mind and soul? Look, it's a very typical question. God has given you 32 teeth, out of which 4 are canine teeth, and 28 teeth speaks of vegetarian food, 4 teeth speaks of non-veg food. This is the age of democracy. So you can tell which food is good. How to control negative thoughts coming to the mind? If there is room filled with light, there is no darkness. If your mind is preoccupied with good things, negative thoughts cannot come. If your friends wants to call you and if you don't want to answer, just switch off your telephone, or when you see the telephone calling, stop it. So when negative thought comes, stop from the very beginning. But keep your mind more preoccupied. Is it possible to read somebody's thoughts? No. Reading others' thought is stealing, as good as stealing.